I used to know absolutely nothing about plants. Your friend that is super good with plants, they also used to know nothing about plants. You see, none of us are born with a green thumb. None of us have that knowledge about how to keep plants alive. There's actually just a few ways that we accumulate this knowledge over time. You see, we either learn from trial and error where we fail over and over again until we figure out what works, or we learn through practicing, or we learn through someone teaching us. And this is kind of true with everything, including plant knowledge, but professional athletes, they weren't always good at sports. They practiced over and over again. These amazing artists that you see, they practiced over and over again. They reached out to people, they followed people, they learned over time. So when people tell me, oh, I'm not good with plants or I don't have a green thumb, that's not something that you're just innately born with. You've got to seek it out and you've got to learn it. And what's so cool about this day and age is we have so many resources available to us to be able to learn that. There are amazing content creators out there that are just putting out years and years of generational knowledge, and they are putting it into short and concise forms for you to be able to learn in a quick and easy way. We have access to university research at our fingertips at the click of a button. And hopefully you've got a local garden center or nursery that can also help you out with their regional experience for your area. It is my firm belief that plants are for everybody, and everybody should be involved with plants in one way or another, and anybody can learn how to properly take care of plants. You can either do it the hard way through trial and error or failure, or seek out those people that know what they're doing, ask them, follow their content, watch what they're doing, and ask lots of questions so that way you can too have a green thumb.